Hey guys, Hazen Warlick here with ABC Window Cleaning Supply. In this video, we're going to be talking about why adding WaterFed technology to your business plan is beneficial. So as a traditional window cleaner, you may be asking yourself right now, why WaterFed and why is it such a cool thing? Number one, and the most important reason why people use WaterFed systems is because it's safer. No more ladders. You can reach up to 6 stories from the ground safely. That's a huge point. Number two, it's faster. We've found that once you get the hang of this technology, WaterFed window cleaning is up to twice as fast as traditional window cleaning. It's also very easy to learn and easy to train someone. You can usually train someone to use this at their full potential in just one single day. So you can also get a better clean with WaterFed technology because you're not using any chemicals and you're using pure water, which is going to dry spot-free on the window. You're not leaving behind any chemical residue to attract dirt later. You can also get new jobs that you previously could not do because of things like landscape and design issues, or they were simply just out of reach. Lastly, WaterFed technology is not just for glass. You can virtually clean any non-porous hard surface with this technology successfully. This can include gutter exteriors, vinyl siding, metal and plastic signage, solar panels, and more. So, we talked a little bit about why adding WaterFed to your business plan will be beneficial. To learn more, visit the link in the description. Thanks for watching.